latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Asha workers are regarded as the backbone of India's primary healthcare system. It was just a month ago the accredited social health activist had staged a protest. Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, there have been sporadic protests and strikes by Asha workers. Now yet again, one of India's largest healthcare army is on a strike. A whopping 6 lakh Asha workers across the country are staging a protest against the government on August 7th and 8th. From physical assaults to lack of safety equipment to no allowances to payment issues, they have seen it all. During the crisis situation, Asha workers stood up for the country, bold and strong. If not them, then India couldn't have successfully controlled the spread of virus in the initial stage. Asha workers have been requesting the government to assist them in the fight they have put up against the deadly virus. Unfortunately, all their demands and requests from the government has fallen flat. Enraged by the negligent response from the officials, Asha workers decided to stage protest against the government.
जो डिमांड रखा हुआ है जून 30 से, वो सभी को हमने डीसी ऑफिस में मिनिस्ट्री तक भी ये लेटर मानवी जो पत्र है वो हमने सभी को दिया हुआ है. आज तक कोई भी उनसे हमको रिएक्शन नहीं है. आज हमें 12,000 सैलरी के लिए आज लड़ रहे हैं और हमको प्रोटेक्शन के लिए कोविड टाइम पे प्रोटेक्शन के लिए जो भी चीज़ें देना है वो देने के लिए जो हमने पीपीई किट जैसे कि दे रहे थे. थोड़ी जगह पे सप्लाई हुआ है, अभी थोड़ी जगह पे नहीं हुआ है.
There are about 1 million Asha workers across the country. All that they are asking is to give them timely payment and give proper allowances. The government had promised to provide fixed salary to Asha workers by the end of March. Asha workers with minimum security and equipment have been working relentlessly. Right now, each Asha worker is paid a salary of rupees 6,000. They are provided incentives based on the number of people they help. Asha workers are part of the Rural Task Force headed by Panchayat Development Officer. Risking their lives, Asha workers go to containment zones to trace contacts of those who test positive. Seems like the government has not valued their work and efforts.